Come test drive the 2018 Genesis. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.